Welcome to the Enhanced Notes Report demo, where we'll walk through the steps to creating, saving, and exporting reports for Notes in Lightning. Available on the app. To grant the full permissions to use the reporting features, assign your user the Enhanced Notes Report Admin Permission Set group. You can also assign business users the specific permissions within it individually as needed. Check out the user guide for more info. To start creating your first report, navigate to the Enhanced Notes Report app in Lightning using the App Launcher. From the Report Builder, begin by selecting the parent object that you wish to report notes for. All standard and custom objects will be available for selection. In the Columns section, select the parent object's fields to display on the reports. By default, the parent name as well as the note title, content, and last modified date are going to render on the report. Next, build out the filter criteria for the parent records of the notes. In this example, we're going to report on notes linked to accounts which either have an annual revenue greater than 0, or have been created before April 4th. You can change the condition logic between all and any by setting it at the top on the logic type pick list. Optionally, further filter down which notes are returned by providing keyword filters on the note title or content. Leaving it blank will include them all. Lastly, you can provide a limit of the results to return for improved performance. Running the report will return the results that meet the criteria you've built out with the selected columns and note content. Scroll vertically and horizontally to view the full contents of the report. All the note contents will appear in the report exactly as it was formatted on creation. As you see, text formatting, hyperlinks, tables, images, and even GIFs are rendered onto the report. Clicking a note title on from results will open the note record in edit mode in a new tab. From here, you are able to edit the contents of the note, which will appear on the report once you refresh it. Similarly, clicking the parent name for a result will open the parent record of the note in a new tab. You're able to save the report column and filter configuration when you want to rerun a specific report with updated results. To do this, first build out the report with the selected columns and filter conditions. For this example, we'll create a report to return notes for accounts created in the first quarter of 2024, and include the account's description, number, and phone as additional columns. Then, click the plus button in the Saved Filters section, and give the filter a descriptive name. Now the filter will be available for selection for the parent object. Selecting it will pre-populate the columns and filters as they were on save. The sharing settings on filters is set to private by default, so if you wish to share the filter with others, you can click the share button after selecting it, and then sharing the record with users, groups, or roles. Now the filter will be available to all those with access. To modify the saved filter configuration, select it and update the columns or filters before clicking the Save icon. Clicking the Trash icon will delete the filter and leave it in your recycling bin for 15 days. Snapshots are a feature that allow you to save the results of a notes report at a point in time, and refer to it at a later date without change. It also runs in the background and not in real time, so it allows for greater volume of report results if you are running into limits or timeout errors. To create a snapshot, Select a saved filter or build the report as you normally would, but toggle the snapshot setting in the top right corner and provide a unique snapshot name. Clicking the Save Snapshot button will kick off asynchronous Apex jobs, which will generate report results in the background in batches. The Snapshots menu is where you can view or delete the snapshots you have access to. The report generated is the same as the real-time reports, but cannot be refreshed for more up-to-date results. To achieve that, use the Saved Filters feature for real-time reports instead. Users with export permissions are able to export the results of both real-time and snapshot reports. Clicking the button on the report screen will download a CSV file with all the report's columns and contents. The delimiter for the CSV file is a pipe character, since the comma is a common character in the contents of notes. You can import the file to Google Sheets and set the pipe character as the delimiter, and it will auto-format the file. The rich text content of the notes are stored in HTML format with tags. You can also print the page of the report results instead, and save as PDF, if you want to retain the rich text format of the results. Download Enhanced Notes Report today to elevate the Lightning experience in your org. Only on the App Exchange.